Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Neutrogena Hydro Boost is probably one of the most talked about moisturizers on the market, and for good reason, as it promises intense hydration without the heavy feel, making it a go-to for many seeking that dewy, plump complexion. But does it live up to the hype, and is it truly the holy grail for all skin types? Especially when considering its unique gel cream texture and hyaluronic acid-packed formula that aims to quench thirsty skin and leave it feeling refreshed and revitalized throughout the day. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer. Tired of fine lines and wrinkles? Discover the power of our advanced formula designed to visibly reduce the signs of aging. Experience a transformation to smoother, more radiant skin. Harnessing the proven benefits of retinol, this cream works diligently to target wrinkles and improve skin texture. It's your daily defense against the visible effects of aging. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it delivers essential moisture to plump and hydrate your skin. Enjoy a supple feel and a healthy-looking complexion. Concerned about dark spots? This potent moisturizer helps to fade their appearance, promoting a more even and luminous skin tone. Achieve clarity and brightness. In just 1 week, you can see a difference. With continued use, it helps to accelerate skin surface renewal for a visibly younger appearance. Embrace the change. Make it a part of your daily routine for comprehensive anti-aging care. This lightweight yet effective cream is your partner in achieving a revitalized look. What we like? This one is powered by retinol to tackle signs of aging. If you're looking to smooth out wrinkles and fade dark spots, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those concerned about aging skin. What people say? This is a nice moisturizer that is not too heavy and absorbs quickly. It is a great moisturizer for oily skin and does not leave a greasy residue. I love that it is fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin. Number 4. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. Experience the ultimate hydration with our new body gel cream. It delivers intense moisture without any greasy residue, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this formula quenches your skin's thirst. It helps to replenish and retain moisture for a healthy, radiant look. Enjoy the benefits of deep hydration that absorbs quickly. Its lightweight texture means no sticky or greasy feeling, just pure comfort. Perfect for those with normal to dry skin, it provides essential moisture. It helps to combat dryness and leave your skin feeling revitalized. Our gentle, fragrance-free formula is kind to your skin. It offers effective hydration without any added scents, making it ideal for sensitive skin. This generous 16-ounce size ensures you have plenty of this nourishing lotion. Keep your skin hydrated and comfortable day after day. What we like? Experience non-greasy hydration that sinks in quickly. If you have normal to dry skin and dislike heavy lotions, this is perfect for you. It's a fantastic option for daily body moisturizing without any lingering scent. What people say? This is a great moisturizer that leaves my skin feeling hydrated and smooth. I love how lightweight this gel is. It absorbs quickly and doesn't feel greasy on my skin. My skin has never looked better since I started using this product. It's perfect for my dry, sensitive skin. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream. Tired of dark circles and fine lines? This powerful eye cream is designed to visibly reduce their appearance. Get ready for a brighter, smoother look around your eyes. Formulated with proven ingredients like retinol and hyaluronic acid, it works to combat the signs of aging. Experience the benefits of these skin-loving components. Don't let fine lines and wrinkles steal your youth. This cream actively fights these concerns, promoting a more youthful and refreshed appearance. See a noticeable difference with consistent use. Dark spots under the eyes can be a concern. This targeted treatment helps to diminish their visibility. Reveal a more even-toned complexion around your delicate eye area. Incorporate this into your daily routine for effective anti-aging. It's your go-to solution for a revitalized and younger-looking eye area. Make it a part of your skincare regimen. Enjoy smoother, more hydrated skin beneath your eyes. This formula provides essential moisture while working to improve texture and firmness. Feel the difference it makes. What we like? Specifically formulated for the delicate eye area to combat aging. If you're dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles under your eyes, consider this. It's designed for targeted treatment of common under-eye concerns. What people say. This is a really good moisturizer. It is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. I love how hydrating this moisturizer is. It leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. This moisturizer is perfect for oily skin. It does not feel greasy or heavy. Number 2. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. Experience deep, lasting hydration with our advanced serum. It's formulated to replenish your skin's moisture barrier effectively. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it perfect for daily use. Enjoy a refreshed feeling without any greasiness. Infused with purified hyaluronic acid, it draws moisture into your skin. This key ingredient ensures your complexion stays plump and dewy. See a noticeable difference in your skin's hydration levels. It leaves your face and neck feeling smooth and revitalized. Our gentle formula is oil-free and won't clog your pores. It's suitable for all skin types, even those prone to breakouts. Incorporate this essential step into your skincare routine. It provides the perfect boost of hydration your skin craves every day. What we like. This serum delivers a concentrated boost of hydration with purified hyaluronic acid. If your skin feels dehydrated and you prefer an oil-free formula, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for achieving plump, moisturized skin on your face and neck. What people say. The gel cream formula absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling hydrated without any greasy residue. It provides long-lasting moisture, keeping my skin plump and smooth throughout the day. The hyaluronic acid in the formula effectively draws moisture to the skin, resulting in a noticeable plumping effect. Number 1. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer SPF 25. Turn back time on your skin. This powerful moisturizer is designed to visibly reduce wrinkles and firm your skin. Experience a younger-looking you. Harness the power of our exclusive hexanol technology. It works deep within your skin's surface to help improve its condition. Reveal smoother, more radiant skin. Brighten and revitalize your complexion. This formula is enriched with vitamin C to help even skin tone and boost radiance. Achieve a healthy, glowing appearance. Protect your skin from daily environmental stressors. With SPF 25, it helps shield against sun damage. Keep your skin safe and healthy all day long. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and firmness. This cream works to plump and smooth, diminishing the appearance of fine lines. Enjoy a more supple feel. Experience a triple action approach to skin repair. It targets wrinkles, firms, and protects, all in one effective cream. Give your skin the comprehensive care it deserves. What we like. This moisturizer works to visibly reduce wrinkles and firm skin while offering sun protection. If you want a multitasking product that fights aging and protects from the sun, this is for you. It's suitable for those seeking comprehensive anti-aging benefits with added SPF. What people say. This is a nice moisturizer that feels light on the skin and absorbs quickly. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated and plump without any greasy residue. I love that it contains hyaluronic acid, which is great for boosting skin hydration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.